Businesses save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by switching from a traditional phone system to a VoIP phone system. Today, I will discuss why VoIP is superior to old phone systems. Traditional phone systems are costly, bulky, and rely on complicated wired setups. Scaling it with your business is tough, and adding new features requires expensive hardware and days of work. Routine maintenance and repairs only add to the burden. In contrast, VoIP entirely operates over the internet, reducing communication costs by 60 to 90%. The best part, it turns costs that once cost over $1 per minute to just a few cents. Setup takes under 10 minutes and is very quick, using only a smartphone or a laptop. Additional features such as IVR, power dialer, and unified call box are typically included at no additional cost. With so many benefits, VoIP helps your business grow seamlessly without the complication of traditional systems. You won't even believe 30% of the businesses worldwide have already switched to VoIP. Platforms like Calilio make it easier as you can port or transfer your existing business phone number to Calilio without any disruption. So sign up today and expand your business with Calilio.